The PBD WA-2608 Outdoor Antenna offers a robust solution for receiving free, high-definition television channels with clarity, thanks to its advanced signal reception capabilities. Equipped with a 360-degree motorized rotation feature, this antenna allows users to easily adjust its position for optimal signal strength using a convenient remote control. Its weatherproof construction ensures durability and reliable performance in varying outdoor conditions, making it suitable for both urban and rural settings. The antenna supports dual television outputs, enabling simultaneous viewing on two screens without the need for additional equipment, adding flexibility to your home entertainment setup. Designed with future-proof technology, it is ready for next-gen TV ATSC 3.0, promising improved picture and sound quality once available in your area. Installation is straightforward with the included kit, which features a 40-foot RG6 coaxial cable and comprehensive instructions for an easy setup process.